out late from a gravel yard. Paper said her name on the card. Boxes tied with careful care. Everything we used to share. That little place on Cedar Lane. Screen door loose, old window pane. I was gone more nights than home, chasing lines of white alone. She'd write notes and leave them there. Simple words like she still cared.